In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Bluebeam. If you've ever needed to clean up a PDF by removing blank pages, duplicates, or outdated sheets, this quick workflow will get you there confidently and without confusion. We'll follow the standard menu path so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu, launch Revu, open your file, and give it a moment to load. Before making changes, it's a good idea to make sure you're working on the correct document and consider saving a backup copy if the pages might be needed later. If your file is part of a shared workflow or is restricted, make sure you have permission to modify it so deletion is allowed. With the document open, move to the top menu bar. Click on Document, hover over Pages, and then select Delete. This brings up the Delete Pages dialog where you'll choose exactly which pages to remove. You're not deleting anything yet, you're simply setting up the command. In the dialog, choose the page or pages you want to delete. If you only need to remove the page you're currently viewing, choose the current page option. If you need to remove more than one, enter a range like 5, 7, or a comma-separated list such as 2, 9, 12. You can even combine ranges and single numbers in one go. Take a moment to double-check the page numbers you're entering. Some PDFs use custom labels, which can differ from the actual page positions, so rely on the numbers shown in the delete dialog to make sure you're targeting the correct pages. When in doubt, glance at the page indicator at the bottom of Revu to confirm where you are. Once you're confident with your selection, click OK to confirm. Bluebeam will remove the selected pages immediately from the open document. If you change your mind right away, you can use undo to bring them back before closing or saving. After you save the file, the deletion becomes permanent for that copy, so if you think you might need those pages later, use Save As to create a separate version before you delete. If the file is password protected or locked for editing, you may see a prompt or find the option grayed out until permissions are adjusted, and that's it. Open your PDF, go to Document, Pages, Delete, choose the pages, and confirm. Afterward, review your document to ensure page order, bookmarks, and any cross-references still make sense. When everything looks good, save your changes, and you're done.